What's good, YouTube? Got a pickup here, as you can see, Nike sportswear box. Bottom labels, Nike Air. You guys already know the deal. As you can see here, Air Foamposite 1 Premium, size 9.5, black, hyper red, dark gray, and white. Retail is $235. One reason why I got it a 9.5 is because these have an extra air unit at the bottom. I'll show you guys in a second. So they run about half a size small. So I got them a 9.5. That's your regular paper right here. Nothing special about the paper or anything. And right here you got the Fighter Jet Foamposite 1. Let me set this aside. Starting off with the right shoe. As you can see, you got that snow camo Foamposite material. So if you can see it, each color has its individual shine. Starting off with the carbon fiber, it's gray and then it's red. That's like one of the first changes. You got a red swoosh. You got the red stitching going all the way up to the 1 cent logo. On the pull tab, you got a lightning bolt symbolizing the fighter jet. You got the perforations on the toe and that nice suede. This is like a better suede than most of the foams that have come out. It's more felty. I don't know if you can see it change color, but yeah. Right here, you got the dog tags. One of them has a penny logo on it, and the other says, I don't know if you guys can see that. Affini Hardaway #1, 7/18/1971, Memphis, Tennessee, Nike Foamposite 1. And you got sort of like a little keychain. On the inside, I don't know if you guys can see that. On the inside, you got a different logo. It says caution, ejection seat. Let me see if you guys can see. Hold on. There you go. So it says caution, ejection seat. On the back, you got another lightning bolt. Right here, you got the red and then with the black inside penny logo on the back. The bottoms is a very clear sole. Has little to no tint. You got that red traction with that blacked out penny logo. It's all black. Right here, you got your hit of carbon fiber. That red and gray. Let me give you guys a close up. Give me a sec. You got another carbon fiber hit here, and you got that red herringbone traction from the heel to the toe. Nike Zoom Air right there with the Nike swoosh. That's pretty much it. All camo Foamposite. What I was talking about earlier is that these foams have an extra airbag right here. So it's one and then two airbags. So it makes full length airbags. So it makes the sneaker fit a little bit more snug, but I guess it's more comfortable. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me show you the other one. Has a different logo on the inside. Right here, you have like that star logo, that fighter jet logo. You guys can see that. That's pretty much it. Oh, one more thing. Right here says danger. Danger right there. And on the other side says no step. Same as the last, same as the other shoe. They both say the same thing. You got that mesh booty. And then you got that sort of, I don't know what you would call this, but that woven material on the back. So that's pretty much it. Let me just give you some side-by-sides. So there's the front, insides, outside. That's pretty much it. I mean, it's a dope sneaker. Out here in NY, we love our camo, especially camo on a sneaker, like with the camo Jeremy Scott wings and the camo foams. This is a nice addition to the camo movement, I would say, because a lot of sneakers are coming out with camo on it. If these had a glow-in-the-dark bottom, I think it would make the shoe. But you know, Nike never gives you what you want. So stay tuned for more videos. Comment, rate, subscribe. Peace.